Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Terese, and today's video is birthday freebies. Yes, it's that time of year, and I do have a video from last year. If you guys want to check that out, I will link that down below. Let's get started. Okay, so first up, from Redbox, they are giving you a free rental from Arby's. Now, some of these you have to buy something, but most of them are free. Okay, so Arby's, with the sandwich purchase, you get fries and a shake, which is a good deal. So I don't know what you're spending, like $4 for a meal. Denny's, you get free pancakes. They used to give you like this Rooty Tooty fresh and fruity breakfast, but you do get the free pancakes now. Dunkin' Donuts, you get free coffee. Baskin Robbins, you get free ice cream. Cinnabon, a free drink. Krispy Kreme, you get a donut, and they will also, most of the time they'll give you a free coffee. Their coffee is, it compares with McDonald's. Dear McDonald's, I still love you. And Auntie Anne's, you will get a free pretzel. Jersey Mike's, you will get a free sub and a drink. They are so delicious. Starbucks will give you a free coffee, but it has to be on your birthday. Bennigan's, if you buy one, you get a free entree, so you can do DoorDash or whatever. So I think that's a really good deal. Okay, so we went to Ulta, and I've been getting free gifts from Ulta for as far back as I can remember. Okay, so this year they're giving you Lancome. Okay, so it's mascara and perfume. You see this brush. You can always tell if it's going to be a good mascara by the brush. Idoli, if I pronounce that correctly. Okay. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Okay. Perfume smells really good. Let's see what notes are in here. Okay, so we have fresh floral, jasmine, rose, and white musk. Yes, it does smell really good. And this is perfect for like your purse. You guys can see that. Okay, we're going to continue with the list. AMC, unfortunately, they're still closed. All the movie theaters are closed. They give you a free popcorn. They give you a $5 bonus, and they give you a free drink. And sometimes I've even gotten a free movie. So hopefully they'll reopen soon. And actually, there is the last movie that we saw probably for this year. I saw Freaky, and I will also link that down below in the description. Portillo's will give you a free cake slice. Portillo's, oh my gosh, you guys, that chocolate cake, it is so delicious. And IHOP will give you free pancakes. Au Bon Pain will give you a coffee and a pastry. Subway, you'll get a drink and a sub. Benihana oh my gosh, we'll give you a $30 free gift card, and they will sing happy birthday to you in Japanese. H&M will give you like a 25% off. Actually, we went into H&M, and I didn't really find anything, but I do have through the end of the month, so it's not like just that day. They give you a couple of weeks. Robin will give you a free burger on your birthday. So I got the bacon guacamole. It was absolutely delicious. I ended up cutting it in half, and it turned into like 2 dinners because they gave me a lot of food. I also ordered a side of onion rings and sweet potato fries, and it's still, my bill was still $0. So I think I had maybe some points that I had to use. I'm not sure, but this entire meal was free. Pet Supplies Plus will also give your pet a free toy on their birthday up to $5. So actually we picked this. It's so cute. So this is a flying lion. You can see right here. And supposedly this is more potent than catnip, so we will see. Panera Bread will give you a free pastry on your birthday. For some reason, it wasn't popping up on my app, But I went through the drive-thru, and I want to give a shout out to Miguel because I got a bear claw, and it was, yes, it was so delicious. Nothing But Cakes will give you a free cake on your birthday. There are so many delicious flavors. Every one of them is delicious. It was really hard to make a choice. Sephora will also give you a free birthday gift. And the choice was either like skincare, or this is, ooh, this is makeup. Hydro Milk makeup. You guys can see that. So this is a mascara and a mini lip cheek. Oh, you can, okay, so the makeup you can use on your lips and your cheek. Look how cute that is. Perfect for your purse. I'm gonna do a swatch. Look at that. So cute. You would look really cute if you wore this. And let's try the mascara. Again, like a purse or like a travel size. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Love the brush. Love. From Steak and Shake, if you ask for fries, even without a purchase, they give them to you for free. So here they are, right? Well, you take them out of the bag. Right here. So I know a lot of people like dip their fries in a shake. I don't do that. I've not eaten all day. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough shake. It is delicious. Look how beautiful all these Christmas decorations are. And what? I hear water. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun filming it. My goal is to help you guys be creative, give you motivation, and overall, I just want everybody to feel good. I want everybody to be happy. Isn't it more fun to be happy? I think so. I'm going to put a link below of some, actually maybe a couple of the websites that will tell you how to get free items and what you have to do. They'll tell you apps and whatnot. And actually you can print it out. So they did a really good job. So I'm going to go ahead and link that down below. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. I will see you really, really soon. Mwah. Oh. Mwah. XO.